Okay. So good day, everyone. So what I'm will be doing right now is um creating silhouette. So silhouette drawing. Using shapes. It's better to use those kind of I don't know. It's easy to visualize design. So you can start using lines. You can do sketch first, and then later you can block it out. So you can you'll have idea what character you will be doing. Um, but since still in the production or in the work in progress, the initial sketch, so you can uh it helps you to ano, easy kumaga, it help you to create variations, no, without consuming more time, no, for one design. So you can create more than 5 or 10. So pero it takes practice when you are doing this kind of technique or method. So for me, in my style, so when I do silhouette drawing, so I usually create the shape. So for example, I'll be creating no machines. So I'll come up with different look variation of robots, no. Um and then if I have already some references, so I'll try uh to remember that sample references, and then try to um sketch it out, or block it out, so of the design, no. The good thing about having um silhouette, so you can complete the entire character concept, and then it's easy to modify or adjust or change the look of your design. Okay, so I have the first one. You can create a new layer. So let's say if you want to separate the other parts, and then you just merge it out later. Then let's try to adjust the height so that you'll see the size of each silhouette. So the second silhouette. Then let's try to create another one. So when you create your silhouette, make sure that even if it's a silhouette, so you need to have to establish the details, okay, of your character. And then this is my fourth. So let's try to bit different for the pose. Okay, so we have this. So this is more human-like, so let's change the size. This mechanical, so we want this one a bit larger. Then also this two or mode mech like, and this one a brute. Okay, so I already have four. Um, we can do some modification. So let's say I can modify the first one. So I could have number five sample. Let's say we try to copy the arm. So it will have a forearm, three and four. And then we change this feet and head. So we have a different version. Maybe for the lower part. And then for the other one, the same. No? So we modify this. We remove the arm. Maybe a bit wider. And for the other arm also. So we try to remove it. Then merge. And then this one we want to change. Okay, so we have this different, and then we want to make it smaller. Okay, then we make it all smaller, and then this one duplicate. Let's try to go more a floater like. And then for the arms, And then last, um, this one. So duplicate, make it smaller. We change this part. Um, this one. Change this part. And we want more having this kind of squarish horn. Okay, so there you have it now. So we have 8 silhouette concepts. So it's easy to no. Just make sure that it's still defined, still it can still be identified, that you can compare it's different from the first one, the second one. That you have the idea, what your design would look like if you use your the good thing about also having silhouette is the full if it's even if it's a concept, you see the full look of appearance of look of your character. Okay, so that's all for this silhouette drawing.